Hello there. Now we are going to learn some stuff about subsets and counting. Let's see. What do we have here? Now, how do we determine how many subsets are in a set? Well, the rule says that if A is a set with n elements, A has 2 to the n subsets. So that means that if we have this subset right here, A, B, C, D, and E, the way we know how many subsets it has is we count all of its elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's five elements. Then the number of subsets is going to be 2 to the 5th. Okay, so we have 5 elements, and that would be equal to 32 subsets. So that is fairly easy. Now let's move on to something else. We have this problem that says that 100 college students, yep, 100 college students. We have 100 college students total. 35 of them are in college algebra, like you. And we have 52 on computer science. And we have 18 students on both courses. Okay, on both, not bet. So what it's saying here is that we have these, right? And it's asking us how many are there in college algebra. How many students are there in college algebra? Well, that's pretty simple. How many students are there in college algebra? We have this are 35 students. 35 students in college algebra, and we have 18 students on both, right? So we only need the ones that are just in college algebra. So 35 minus 18, that would be equal to 17 students on college algebra. And now how many students are in computer science? Well, that would be 52 students in computer science minus the 18 students that are on both courses. That would be equal to 34. So that's how many. This is for college algebra, and computer science. So computer science. And now, what about the number of students that are in both courses? Number of students that are in both courses. Well, let's do this thing, this circle thing, this diagram. I know it sucks, but it'll do the trick. So we have let's say that college algebra is A and that computer science is B. Well, we have at A we have 17, right? And at B we have 34. And here in the middle we have 18. So what we do in order to get all of them, well, we just add them, right? So 17 plus 18 plus 34 is going to be equal to 69. And that's how many students we have on both of them. But what if we were asked how many students are not in any of the courses? Well, we have 100 students total, right? 100 students total. So 100 minus our 69 that we got here. And that should give us a 31. And that's the number of students that are not in any of the courses. Now, let's do something else. Look, let's take let's say that you have NA. This is something that you will see. NA equals to 35. Same thing. NB equals to 52. Number of B, right? Equals to 52. And the number of A and B is equal to 18. And you want to find N A U B. Well, you're gonna use this formula right here. NAUB equals to NA plus NB minus NAB. There you go. So the only thing that this is saying is that we are going to add these two and we're going to subtract this one. So NAUB is going to be equal to 35 plus 52 minus 18. And we get 69. There you go. Now, let's say that we have NA equals to 10 and NAUB equals to 28 and equals to 6. There you go. And we are asked to find NB. Well, we know that we have to use our formula here, right? NAUB equals to NA plus NB minus N. There you go. So we know that you have to use that one, and we want to get B by itself. So what are we going to do? We're just going to move everything else to the other side. So this is going to turn into NAUB, and then we move this one over to the other side, and that would turn into plus NAUB. And then we're going to move our A to the other side, and it's going to turn into a negative NA, and that would be equal to our NB. So now we can get our answer for this. Would be 28 plus 6 minus 10. And that would be equal to 24. There you go. Now let's do another type of problem real quick. Wait, I'm just gonna check if I can get something to make this look a little bit better. Maybe this. Yep. Okay. We don't need it as big. I just want to make it look nice, you know. So we got that one, a circle over there, and oh, this is gonna look great. This is gonna look awesome. Okay. So we got another circle right here. There you go. And another circle right here. There you go. Now we got that. No. I just need this. Okay, so we got that. And say that we have our A here. We have 22 something on A, and we have our B here. We have 41 something. We have our C here is going to have 34 whatever, and now this is going to be, we're gonna have 18 whatever that are on B and C, and we're going to have 3 of them on A and C, and we're going to have 7 on A and B, and we are going to have 5 on all three of them. So the question is, how many are there in A or B or C? So how many are there in A or B or C? Well, that's pretty simple. Let's say, well, A, B, or C. Just gonna add everything up, right? So 22 plus 7, going like this, right? So 22 plus 7 plus 41 plus 3 plus 5 plus 18 plus 34 would be equal to 130. And that's your answer right there for A or B or C. Now, how about we are asked how many are there on A or B or C? Oh yeah, that would be it. I love this circle thing. This is one of my last videos, and I just figured I just found out I could do that. That's depressing. But yeah, so I hope this helps you with your final, and I hope that you do real good. I hope that you enjoyed these videos and that you learned from them and that they helped you. So remember that if you do good, well, just let me know, and I'll be at the lab or somewhere. So good luck and have a great winter break. Goodbye.